What's the word, YouTube? Back with another video. I just recorded a whole entire video and the audio just corrupted. So I'm gonna try to redo this whole entire thing again, to be honest. So to give y'all some context as to what I was actually doing, I went to Chick-fil-A and I just got a little shake or whatever. And I was simply just talking to you guys about some stuff. I'm gonna put the camera down real quick and then I'm gonna basically give y'all a recap of what I was saying. All right, y'all. So basically, what I was getting across, my whole point that I was getting across is I never do like just sit down and talk with y'all. I'm always like recording something or fixing something on the car, or I'm at an event or a car meet now. That's been incorporated into like my regular lifestyle, I guess you could say. But ooh, that's an F82 over there. I just wanted to come here and say I appreciate the new subs. I know we just hit 30 subscribers, and that might not seem like a lot to y'all, but it's a lot to me, you know. And it's all because I started from scratch with this channel. I didn't start with subscribers already. I started from 0 subs. I created this channel and I just started from there, and I've been uploading ever since July or August. It's one of the two, but yeah. And this is just fun to me, you know. It's fun. That's why I'm so appreciative of all the support, because it's fun, but I take it serious, you know. Like I put a lot of effort into these videos to make them high quality. I'm always working, even when I'm not uploading a video or I'm out recording, I'm always working, trying to figure out how to make the videos better, or either I'm looking up stuff for the car, like just to give y'all something, you know. This is just, it's a hobby to me, but I take it serious. And the fact that y'all tune in to my channel, I really do. I appreciate it a lot. And I know it's kind of hard because this style of content it's a little watered down. There's a lot of people that are trying to do this style of videos, but it's also some that aren't putting in as much effort as I am, or either making high quality videos like I am. And that's not any shade to anybody. That's just a testament to the effort that I do put into these videos. So, and the fact that y'all tune in and y'all watch them, I really do. I appreciate it a lot. It definitely doesn't go unnoticed. And I said that so many times in the previous recording before it got corrupt, but I was just saying, yeah, I just definitely, it doesn't go unnoticed, man. I truly appreciate y'all. And I'm gonna continue to try to get videos out to y'all. I know I've been a little late the past couple of weeks. Sometimes I'd miss a Monday and post on Tuesday, and then miss a Thursday and post on Sunday or something like that, or Saturday, whatever it is. But it's all because I just simply need more time editing, because I'm also doing school as well, and then I'm also an athlete at the same time. So trying to balance all of these, you know, it can kind of throw off the schedule a little bit, but I still do try to shake back and get the video out to y'all. So yeah, I do. I appreciate y'all so much. And y'all motivate me to even continue doing this. Like, the reason I do continue uploading and doing videos and stuff and recording all this stuff is because I simply enjoy doing it. It's fun to me. But also seeing the support that's coming behind it, I mean, it's just, it doesn't go unnoticed, I promise you. So that's enough of me talking. I'm not gonna talk y'all ear off, even though I probably already have. But I'm gonna give y'all a little POV. I did a POV drive in the last clips that I recorded, but they just, like I said, they got corrupted. So I'm gonna just give y'all a POV drive. And yeah, man, appreciate y'all for watching for sure. So I'm gonna put the head mount on and then we'll start driving. All right, y'all, I got the head mount on. Let's do it. I did say in the last clips, and I keep on saying that because I'm a little ticked off that happened, but I'm trying a new recording setup, so I'm hoping that y'all can see everything okay. I'm hoping the audio is good too, so we'll see. We're kind of just experimenting right now. I think it should be all right, if not better though. And I don't know if the video is picking up that popping noise, but if you watched my if you watched like prior videos to this one, it's happened before. I don't know exactly what it is, but it has happened before. So I just need to figure out. I need to figure out what it is. I think it's like a bushing or either a mount. It might be a strut mount. No, it can't be a strut mount, or a tie rod or something. Cause yeah, I don't know. It's crazy, but it doesn't do it consistently. So that's what's like why it's hard for me to try to diagnose what it is exactly and get it fixed, because it doesn't happen all the time. So, and I think it came back because we were I took the car out with my photographer and we were sliding in it. So I think that's the main reason why it kind of ticked it off again. Yeah, hopefully it's not too dark. I'm gonna try to, if it is dark, I'm gonna try to like mess with it while I'm editing so that y'all can see. But okay, so this just happened out of nowhere. I've never had this happen to me while I'm recording, but this is probably good that I'm recording this. So my car right now, if you can see the check engine light, or not the check engine light, I don't know if you can see actually, the traction control light just came on. Basically letting me know that the car just went into limp mode. I'm probably gonna pull over and try to see what's going on. But yeah, the car just went into limp mode, so it's not really something we want. I would have went in there. Man, that would have been perfect. We'll go right here. Alright. Man, it's a little sketchy back here. Cool little parking lot though to do donuts in. Wouldn't lie to you. But alright, I'm gonna try to clear this real quick, try to figure out what the problem is, and then I'll turn the camera back on. Got the light to cut off. Only took me a few minutes. I haven't been sitting here long, so I'm glad I was able to get that off. Regular BMW issues, you know. No, I'm just joking, y'all. This car is very reliable. I'm just talking, and I do love this car a lot. I'm just literally chatting. Idiot. Just dumb. I think it's time. It's definitely time for me to get on home, yo. So it's just too much dumb stuff happening. But yeah, it's been a little hard for me making content lately, like that pertains specifically just to the car. That's because I really don't have anything going on with the car. Like, I'm not customizing anything. I don't got any mods coming in. But like I said, I'm constantly researching stuff that I can do, man. I really am trying. So, and I know it's all gonna work out, but I'm just, it's tough right now. That's why I've really been like going to these car meets. Is like, not only is it good for content, but it's also like, it's enjoyable for me to go to, because this is like the first time I've ever been like consistently going to car meets, you know. So yeah, I've been enjoying it a lot. It's pretty dope. And it's also cool to have, you know, a homeboy or somebody, you know, to kind of record and collab with, you know. So it seems like it's just a lot of stupid driving tonight. It wasn't like this on my way to Chick-fil-A, but I don't know what's going on right now. Even though I really feel like driving this car. But yeah, I'm so disappointed I wasn't able to record any of the stuff of us like sliding the car or anything, because that would have been cool for y'all to see. Or I didn't really take too much video of like the behind the scenes of the photo shoots and stuff. By the way, that photo shoot was really cool. I think we're gonna try to do another one just to kind of get some stuff a little bit better. But shout out to my boy Colton, man. He does, like I said, all my photography stuff, and he does great, man. He does a good job, bro. And I really do. I appreciate him a lot. But and we gonna try to, you can check it out on my channel. I just uploaded a new profile picture and a new banner, so you can check it out if you want to. Those pictures were taken by my boy Colton, and yeah, I think we're gonna, like I said, try to get them redone, because there are like some little tweaks that need to happen. Like they're like some of them are, the banner is a little bit blurry, but the profile picture is really good. So I don't know, we're gonna see. Yeah, that's basically gonna be the end of this video. Once I pull up to this stop sign, or I said stop sign, this stoplight. But yeah, I appreciate y'all so much for watching. I appreciate all the new supporters, like I said, and the new subs, man. I know 30 subs doesn't seem like a lot to y'all, but it's a lot to me. And I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I was trying to say it in like a different way, but I couldn't get it. But yep, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Make sure y'all also check out the car Instagram. I made an Instagram for the car not too long ago. It's quiet.e39. I'll probably put it in a video here somewhere, but make sure y'all check it out. I've been posting reels and pictures on there. And also do YouTube shorts as well. If you haven't seen those, I mean, you can just go to the channel page and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see all the YouTube shorts that I have uploaded. I'm also going to be starting a TikTok soon for the car, so stay tuned for that. I'll probably post that sometime on the channel. But yeah, y'all, appreciate y'all so much for watching and tuning into the videos, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.